Here we have a numerical which states that a gas bubble from an explosion underwater oscillates with a period of t. That is the time period t. They have told that it depends on static pressure, density, and energy. We need to derive a formula for the time period using dimension analysis or dimension method. Let us get started. They have told that time period has to be found, and it depends on pressure, it depends on density, it depends on energy. That's the first step, how we have to put it down. Next, remove proportionality symbol and introduce a constant. You would get some constant. Now write some powers for P, density, and energy. I would write here P to the power A, density to the power B, and energy to the power C. Expand and write the dimensions on both the side. You would get time period dimension as m to the power 0, l to the power 0, and t to the power plus 1, because on the LHS you are just speaking about time period. Constant K doesn't have any dimension here, so you need not really worry about it. You have pressure to the power A. Pressure has a dimension m to the power plus 1, l to the power minus 1, t to the power minus 2 to the power A. Next you have density m to the power plus 1, l to the power minus 3 to the power B. And energy m to the power plus 1, l to the power plus 2, t to the power minus 2 to the power C. If you rearrange it and write it in a more organized way, you would get an answer. You would get here m to the power a plus b plus c, and you would get l to the power minus a minus 3b plus 2c, and t is equals t to the power minus 2a minus 2c. Now if you compare powers, of m, l, and t, you get the answer a plus b plus c is equals to 0. You get minus a minus 3b plus 2c is equals to 0, and you get minus 2a minus 2c is equals to plus 1. Now if you solve these simultaneous equations, the answer that you get here is a is equals to minus 5 by 6, b is equals to minus 1 by 2, and c is equals to 1 by 3. These are the answers that you are going to get. That is pressure to the power minus 5 by 6, density to the power 1 by 2, energy to the power 1 by 3, and that's the end of the numerical. Thank you.